Hey, good morning everybody. Colin here at Buffalo Dent Repair, and today I've got a Volkswagen Golf in the shop with a little small door dent on it. I've got set up, I want to show you what my setup looks like, which tools I'm using to fix this thing, and we're going to get this dent taken out like you never knew it was there. So let's go take a look. Here's the car. On this back door we've got a relatively minor dent right in there. You see it right in the middle of the door there. So I use this light as a reflection guide so I can see where exactly I'm pushing. I've got a heat gun set up to apply some heat to the panel. And then I've got a metal window guard so I don't scratch the window, roll it down. This wedge opens up a little bit of space in between the window and the outer layer. And then this tool here is L-shaped, so I can go in and actually twist off of it and be able to push on that dent. So it comes in here, and then the dent is down there. And then I'm able to go in and start pushing and manipulating it. And with a little bit of back and forth, this dent is going to be gone, and no one is ever going to know it was ever there. All right, we got this dent all finished up on this Golf R. Really cool little car. This little door ding that was in the back was bugging him, and I was able to completely fix it so that he'll never know it was there. Like I showed, I was able to go in with a twisting tool and push this dent back out, cross-check it back and forth and make sure it's completely gone. I'll flip around, I'll show you the panel now where the dent used to be. So this little ding on this Volkswagen Golf R is completely gone. I was able to fix it in under an hour without having to paint the car. So instead of sending it to the body shop and having them repaint probably at least a couple panels and having it for days, if not weeks, we're able to get him in and out and look like it never happened and keep his factory paint, which is so huge. So if you have dents like this, you can just contact us either through the website, Facebook, buffalodentrepair.com. Give us a call. We can take a look at your dent and see if you're a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair also. Thank you.